Looking for a fun, quick, and tasty homemade snack? Let's make mini pizzas that are perfect for tea time, kids' lunch boxes, or a cozy movie night. Start by taking small pita breads or round-cut dough bases. For the sauce, spread a layer of classic pizza sauce or simply mix tomato paste with garlic, herbs, salt, and a pinch of sugar. Now for the fun part, toppings. Add grated mozzarella cheese, sliced olives, chopped bell peppers, onions, sweet corn, or whatever you love. You can even add pepperoni or cooked chicken for an extra protein kick. Sprinkle a bit of oregano and chili flakes for that classic pizza flavor. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese melts and the edges turn golden and crispy. Your homemade mini pizzas are ready. Delicious, customizable, and made in minutes. Perfect for when hunger hits. Snack time just got way better.